Hello, people. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is the first time you're here, welcome. This is my channel. My name is Martin Zavala, and it's a series of video tutorials for people who want to get better score in the test. We are working with structure and written expression, and today we're going to work with skill 41. Working with problems, we may have nouns. We already seen singular nouns. We distinguish between countable and uncountable. And skill 41, recognize irregular plurals of nouns. Many nouns in English have irregular plurals, and these irregular forms can cause confusion in the written expression section of the test. The irregular forms that are the most problematic are plural forms that do not end in s. Right? That's where it gets complicated. Usually we see the final s and think, oh, that's plural, but sometimes they're irregular and they don't end in s. For example, here, different criteria was used to evaluate the performers. In this example, the plural noun criteria looks singular because it does not end in an s. You might incorrectly assume that it is singular because there is no final s. However, criteria is a plural noun. So the singular verb was used is incorrect. The verb should be the plural were. So here we got a chart of the irregular plurals that you should become familiar with. You know, sometimes you just change a vowel like man, men, food, feed, goose, geese. Sometimes you add an en like child, children, ox, oxen. Sometimes the plural is the same with the singular, deer, salmon, trout, fish, sheep. Especially in Greek and Latin words, you know, with big roots. We have these probably is, which is es, analysis, singular, analysis, plural, diagnosis, singular, diagnosis, plural, synthesis, singular, synthesis, plural. Or the N and A, you know, like bacterium, bacteria, I'll give you an example, different criterion, criteria is plural. Right. Curriculum, curricula, plural. Or if it ends in us, it changes I, you know, like alumnus, singular, alumni, plural, fungus, singular, fungi, plural, stimulus, singular, stimuli, plural. Okay, so I would recommend that you read these very carefully and try to remember, because we're going to do the exercise next. Does each of the following sentence contains at least one noun with an irregular plural? We're going to circle the noun with the irregular plurals and then indicate if the sentences are correct or incorrect. Look at the example. Parenthesis is needed around that expression. Parenthesis is plural. Parentheses will be singular. So parentheses are needed around that expression. Parenthesis. It should be are. He wants to go on a fishing trip this weekend because he has heard that the fish are running. So remember that fish is the same in singular or plural. So the fish are running. This is correct. No problem. All right, so take a moment to make a pause here and complete the exercise. When you finish, come back and check what you have done. Pause the video now, and I'll be here when you come back. Okay, now you're back. We got the syllabi for the courses is included in the packet of materials. Now, syllabi is plural, so is singular. So there's a problem there. It should be the syllabi are included. So this is incorrect. The diagnosis that here today were not very positive. So again, diagnosis is singular and were is plural, so it's incorrect. It should be was not very positive. The crisis is not going to be resolved until some of the pressure is relieved. So crisis is singular, is singular. Got that, no problem. All of the alumni are attending the reception at the president's house. So this is correct. All of the alumni, plural. Flock of geese. Okay, here we have finished a flock. So like a group of geese where is a flock of geese was, a group was singular, she headed south for the winter. The teeth in the back of his mouth, the teeth, plural, needs to be kept, needs is singular, teeth is plural, so it's correct, it should be the tooth needs to be kept. Okay. The fungi, plural, has spread throughout the garden. So if it's fungi, it's plural, it should be have spread. Singular, the fungus has spread throughout the garden. This is correct. The sheepdog is chasing after the sheep, which are heading over the hill. Sheep can be singular or plural. In this case, it's plural. You got the sheepdog chasing after all those sheep. All those sheep are heading over the hill. So take a look at what we did. Take a look at your answer. You still have some questions, so I suggest you go back to the explanation and look at that, look at the examples, and if you still need to know more, please send me a message to the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Okay. So if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up. That really helps the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing to the channel so it gets bigger and stronger. And if you know anybody that can benefit from this content, share it with them. It's free and easy to find. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.